Problem set 3, question number 4. In the adjoining figure, point D and point E are on side BC. See, BC is a straight line. On the line BC, point D and E exists. Now, of triangle ABC. So BC is the base of ABC such that BD equal to CE. And here in the question it is given BD and CE measures are equal and AD and AE measures also same. This is given in the question. According to the figure, statements also given in the question. So proof. Here what is asked to prove? Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle AEC. These two we have to prove. So in this two, the target is, this is very easy to solve. Why it is so? Because two sides are congruent already given in the question. Now only one thing have to prove. Something should be equal. That we will prove. Then easily we can take any test of congruency. So now I will start the solution from triangle ADE. So in triangle ADE, seg AD is congruent to seg AE. This is given in the question. Okay, so here if two sides are equal, then we can call it as isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, according to the isosceles triangle theorem, if two sides are equal, base angles also equal, we can say, correct? So here angle ADE is congruent to angle AED. Isosceles triangle theorem. Isosceles triangle theorem. So two triangles are equal. Now just think about angle ADE and angle ADB. Angle this and angle this. So this is a straight line. On the straight line, if we have two attached angles, you can call it as linear pair angles, correct? So sum of linear pair angles are 180 degrees. So angle ADE and angle ADB. Angle ADE plus angle ADB equal to 180 degree. Linear pair angles. Now, therefore, angle ADB. Now we are focusing on ADB. So angle ADB is equal to 180 degree minus, take this angle this side, minus ADE. Angle ADE. Consider this. See, first one, consider this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Next, we take this angle and this angle. These two are linear pair, correct? Angle AED and angle AEC. Angle AED plus angle AEC equal to 180 degree. Linear pair angles. So here also, keep this outside angle, that is AEC. Angle AEC, right, same to same, left side of equal sign, and take this AED that side. That means 180 degree minus angle AED. Consider this as equation 3. Now compare equation 1 and 2 and 3. Here 180 degree minus ADE, here 180 degree minus AED. Here ADE and AED. ADE and AED are equal, given in equation 1, is it? According to the equation 1, these two are same. Then we can say that full equation also same, is it? 180 minus ADE, 180 minus AED, both are same. If these two are same, we can say that angle ADB and AEC also equal. So directly we will write, therefore angle ADB is equal to angle AEC. Reason from equation 1, 2 and 3. Compare all three equations, then you can say that these two are congruent. Okay, so consider this as equation 4. Equation 4. Now focus on these two triangles. In triangle ABD and triangle AEC, in these two triangles already AD is congruent to AE. Side AE is congruent to side AD given in the question. Next, angle ADB is congruent to angle AEC, already proved from 4, equation 4. And next, side BD and EC given in the question. Side BD is congruent to side BC. This is also given. So we can say that side angle side test. Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle AEC. Side angle side test. So this is the proof test of congruency. This is the proof whatever asked in the question. ABD is congruent to ACE or AEC.